Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In Taichung City, there's an old structure called the Zhang Liao Family Temple. The story goes that a Hakka family surnamed Liao had just one daughter. In the past, families without a son would sometimes recruit a man to marry into their family. The Liao family found a man named Zhang to join their family, and today the Zhang Liao Family Temple is a tribute to this merger.
位在台中市的张廖家庙有个特别的典故，生廖死张。据说在宋朝，福建诏安有一户廖姓人家的独生女，招了一位张姓青年入赘。他们有一个约定，子孙生时姓廖，死后要改为姓张，因此在家庙的牌位上都是张姓。Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Today we're going to take you to Taichung again. Taichung is one of my favorite cities because, you know, the weather is nice. It's right in the middle of the island. It's very convenient, and there's a lot of great stuff to do over there in Taichung. And today I want to start off with the fact that there are two great universities in Taichung.
我哋就係東海大學。
東海大學。
逢甲大學，唔家講嘅24嘅片。
So two universities over there. The Donghai University, 東海大學。
東海大學。
東海大學 and 逢甲 University.
逢甲大學。
逢甲大學。So 大學是大學 University, okay? That's 大學. And one of these universities is beautiful because of its chapel over there. There's actually a church, a chapel that is found on campus. 其實東海大學我小時候的時候就印象很深刻，因為那時候郵票啊，好像在我那時候很喜歡集郵，然後郵票呢常常都有一個形狀是尖尖的，像一個教堂，那個就是東海大學，對不對？很有名啊。係啊，
嗰片後當當然我去嘅翕嘅結婚照、結婚相片。
對，a lot of people like to go to this university because of the chapel, and they want to take, wedding photos over there. 結婚照片怎麼說？
結婚相片。
結婚相片。Okay, 結婚就是 getting married 啊，結婚相片就是相片 which is photograph. And finally, we were talking about food, right? After you visit, the two universities, you have to go to the 逢甲夜市。怎麼說？
夜市。逢甲夜市。
That's 逢甲 night market, and they have a lot of great food there. I can't list it out right now because I'm going to get too hungry. 下次我們再一起去好了，好吧？
好啊。
Okay. Well, a lot of things to do in Taichung, not just what we mentioned, but those are certain places you could go. Well, that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.